I'll show you in this video how to change language of Google Maps. Okay, now perhaps you have a Google Map and you don't like the language that it's using. You can always change it to what you want. Now go to the Google Maps and open it. Okay, go to the app on your phone. So I'm going to tap the maps here. When the map opens, go to your profile and click on it. Tap on the settings. The first option there is app language. As you can see there, it's Afrikaans. That's the app language there. So let's change it to English. So I'm going to tap on that. Okay, now you see it's in Afrikaans. So let's change that to English. Over here, you'll see that system default is English UK, so I can easily tap on that. But you can choose any kind of English, maybe English Australia. You will find that when you scroll all the way down here, you can choose that. But let's choose the default system English, which is English UK. So this tells us that it's going to change. So I'll tap on the OK. And this will change the Google Maps language. If this helped you, please subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys in the next video.